Hi guys! So every year I record and film a video of my son's birthday cake that I made him. This year it was the Grossery Gang, so I'm going to show you how to make a Dodgey Donut cake. First I have a Wilton pan, and I followed the instructions on how to bake that. Then I took a biscuit cutter and cut out the center of the cake. Then I took a smaller biscuit cutter and with some powdered sugar I kind of outlined where I want the eyes to go. Then I made some buttercream icing. I do have a recipe video for that. I'll link everything in the description box below. So I started piping the white first. I'm just using a plain star tip. I feel like that it's very forgiving and super easy to do, and it gives the cake a little bit of texture. So I outlined and filled in the eyes. And then I went ahead and dyed some purple icing. I went ahead and piped that on the front and then down the side. I kind of went in order of the smallest amount of color for each, so I started off with white, then purple, then pink. And I ended up just needing one batch of icing, so it worked out perfect. And so that's what the top of it looks like. Then I moved to the pink, so I did the tongue and then filled in the icing at the top. And you kind of want to make it look uneven and dripping. I have a picture off to the side on my phone that I could kind of use as a reference. And if you happen to make a mistake, you can very easily lift off the icing with a toothpick. So once I got done with the pink, I added a little bit more red to it so I can make the inside of his mouth. And then with the leftover white icing, I took some brown food coloring and just kept adding very small amounts to it until I achieved kind of like that donut color or a flesh color. And then you just go through and fill out the rest of the cake. And for the center of the donut hole, I feel like that would be too hard to try to pipe. So I just put icing in there and made it real nice and smooth. And then went ahead and kept filling it back in. Added a little bit of black for the eyeball. Tiny amount of blue to look like sprinkles up top. And then I had some fake plastic flies and this Wilton slime green icing. You can find that at Target. It doesn't have to be around Halloween time. But I added that on his face. And then of course you can use some of the slime to add it various other places. So I went back and added some at the top of his head. And this is how it turned out. Thought it was pretty good for not having any kind of reference or tutorial online. And I also made some cupcakes as well. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys.